Wala na guys, may nanalo na. May nanalo na talaga sa action camera battle. This is the Osmo Action 5 Pro from DJI. Actually guys, yung isang competitor talaga nila yung tinitignan ko for the past 2 or 3 weeks kasi kakalabas lang nun. Pero nung tinignan ko yung overall appearance when it comes to size, when it comes to color, when it comes to video output, and when it comes to convenience of using ng action camera na to, talaga namang mapapabili ka. Take note guys, iba't iba pa yung bundle or yung combo na kasama nito. Depende sa needs nyo or kung saan nyo to gagamitin para kompleto na agad yung inyong Action 5 Pro. Yung pinili ko pala guys na combo is yung Adventure Combo Bundle Adventure kasi may kasama na tong extension rod or yung kanyang selfie stick, may kasama na tong 3 batteries and yung battery charger itself. By the way guys, hindi pala sponsored tong video na to, baka kasi isipin nyo kaya ako pinopromote to, is binigay to ni DJI. So I bought this with my own money. I'm gonna review this on our next video and watch out guys that testingin natin yung whole day experience natin dito sa Action 5 Pro from DJI.